Welcome to my first ever mukbang. Um, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I'll have to look that up. I asked you if I should do a mukbang, and y'all said yes. So here it is. Today I'm going to be eating bacon cheeseburger salads and canned peaches with sparkling grapefruit water. I was planning on making one salad, but it was too much lettuce, so I broke it up into two. Let's eat. Mm. It's possibly my favorite part of this salad is the homemade ranch dressing. It is really excellent. Comment below for recipes. So I've got lettuce. This is artisan lettuce, a mix of flavorful petite lettuces, red and green, sweet gem, oak leaf, and tango. I got this at Aldi, which I highly recommend, by the way. It's also where I get my bubble water. Bell peppers, red onions, tomato, and of course bacon and cheeseburger. Oh yeah, and hemp hearts for extra nutritional value and protein. So I believe that this salad is pretty protein packed and low carb, but that is my personal opinion, not intended to replace nutritional advice or medical information. Apparently, if you drink water while eating or directly after eating, it makes you bloated. I can only imagine that's compounded by bubbly water. So now you kind of get an idea of what my videos look like before I edit them. There's a lot of eating in between the burps. All of this is really fresh because I just went grocery shopping yesterday, and it is so delicious. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you probably know that I am not doing gluten anymore. It seems that I'm sensitive to it, so I've had to get creative, hence cheeseburger salad. I didn't eat that much cheeseburger anything at home before, so this is really an improvement. just realized I should have got a cucumber. That would be perfect with this. Toss it with a little bit of vinegar and dill. And then remember to put that on the shopping list. I'm glad I thought of bacon last minute because it was just going to be cheeseburger, and bacon really adds to it. It's I cooked it and crumbled it myself. Not store-bought bacon bits, although store-bought bacon bits are fine and actually a lot easier. I don't usually buy raw bacon. It is an extra step. So a lot of the things that I used to binge on have gluten in them, so I have to find new things to binge on. I've noticed that when I'm trying to eat healthier, the food fills me up faster, it seems like, so I'm not able to eat such large quantities, although I have of course been working on that to expand my stomach capacity, which has the unfortunate side effect of me being hungry all the time. This is also reminds me of a BLT, which is awesome because I love BLTs. I bet you I could make a nice honey mustard to go along with the ranch on this. So it'll be like mayonnaise and mustard on your cheeseburger. Well, less than 9 minutes in, one salad down. Pretty short work of it. I could have put sunflower seeds on this. I really like sunflower seeds on salad. I didn't think of it until just now. Very simple, but very good. Oh, I thought that was going to be bigger. I've noticed that my tolerance for sugar seems to have gone way down, so it was pretty easy to adapt to unsweetened sparkling water. And I don't do artificial sweeteners, so this is probably healthier. Although I did kill a 2-liter bottle of cranberry ginger ale in 2 days, so it's not like I've cut sugar out completely. So pretty little. I would love to have roasted red potatoes with this. Oh, much better. But I wasn't about to wait for roasted potatoes. I'm very hungry today. I've never watched a full mukbang before. I usually just watch the burp compilations, so I don't know if this is like a typical one, or if there is such a thing as a typical one, or what. Let me know in the comments if you have seen others and how this stacks up to them. I'm willing to take notes. What I should really be reducing is my sodium intake. There is a lot of salt in this. Between the cheese, bacon, burger, and ranch. I think salt makes you bloat too, because water retention, is that right? And bacon is just barely not too crispy. It's a close shave. The bell peppers are a new addition this time, and I think they're fantastic. I've never put bell pepper on a burger before, but I do love it in salad. Oh, I'm planning to finish this whole liter. Oh, it's sodium free, so there you go. Yeah, I'm expanding quickly. I'm feeling starting to feel tight and full. The salad is better than the peaches. So I want to end on salad. It's probably good to get all this hydration, right? This is half a can or so. Probably about 8 ounces of peaches and peach juice. Oh, it's really filling up in there. Oh, I gotta make more room. I think that got all the air out. Last time I had burger salad, it was so good. I had it 2 nights in a row, and then I wanted more, but I had eaten all of the lettuce and tomato, so I had to wait an excruciating long time for this. It's cold in here. This is why I meant to have paper towels in here. see how this combo turns out. Not bad, not great. I wonder if brand name peaches taste better. Let's see. Sticky. Oh, excuse me. Oh, wish a lot more of that came from. Oh. Mm. You can see the difference. So that concludes my first mukbang. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I welcome any feedback in the comments. This video was not sponsored, but if you are interested in sponsoring a video, you can email me at bubblebellyfox@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.